In order to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A57 by using settings, then first of all, of course, we want to open settings on our phone. Next, in here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we want to go to General Management. Now, once we go to General Management, then in here, we should be able to scroll down a little bit and we want to go to Reset. Over here in Reset, we should be able to find Factory Data Reset, so we want to use this option. Wait a couple of seconds. Then we have the summary of everything that is going to be removed from the phone, which is pretty much everything. So of course, make sure to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose. Also, if you scroll down, then over here at the bottom, we also have the eSIMs option, which allows you to erase all eSIMs that you have on your phone during the process of the factory reset. So of course, once you are ready to perform the hard reset of the phone, you want to tap on reset. You might also need to provide the screen lock password in order to confirm, so just follow the rest of the instructions and you should be able to erase all data on your phone. Leave a like and subscribe.